I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We
Season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey,
A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, pull up a seat and enjoy this recipe that we have for you today. So we are making eggplant parmesan. Oh yes, don't this look delicious, guys? So I'll meet y'all back at the counter so I can show y'all the ingredients we will be using for this recipe. Okay, so here are all the ingredients we will be using for this dish. So we have our eggplants, 2 eggs, minced garlic, we have some basil, parsley, thyme, parmesan, grated parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, extra olive oil, virgin olive oil, black pepper, red crushed pepper, onion and garlic powder, complete seasoning. We have some Prego, herb de Provence, panko breadcrumbs, the Italian side style. I'm tongue-tied. And some almond milk, unsweetened. And did I say eggplant already? I believe I did. So let's go. We are about to get started on this dish. Be right back. Alright guys, first things first. Let's get our eggplants sliced. Alright? And we want nice chunk size pieces, right? Want to be like chicken. Some nice chicken breasts. So we're going to slice this up. And then you're going to grab you some kosher salt, okay? Because what we want to do is sprinkle some kosher salt on both sides so we can reduce the water, get the water out of this. We done rinsed these off really well. Make sure you do that with all your veggies. It's very important. Don't know what they've been doing with your produce before you got them, so make sure you do that. I have a baking sheet, cookie sheet, whichever one won't call it. And there we go. Alright, so now, like I said, all you want to do is start sprinkling on the top, and we're going to let it set up for about 15 minutes so it can get all the moisture out of our eggplants. So both sides, just want to heavily do that. So I'll be right back. I'm going to finish these and I'll be right back with the next step. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and season up our breadcrumbs. I already added 1 cup of the Parmesan cheese in here. Okay, and remember this is the Italian blend of the panko. So we have our seasoning, and I forgot to tell you about the oregano, so you'll need some oregano as well in here. So let's pour this all in here. Alright, and we're going to blend this very well all together. In the meantime, you're going to open your eggs, place them in a bowl, And you'll need 1/4 cup of almond milk to mix with that. And then we're just going to whisk that up. So this is our batter. And so, like I said, we have our almond milk and eggs in here. We're just going to whisk this. All right. I am going to doctor up that Prego pasta. I'm going to doctor that up. All right. And I'll be back with the next step. Hey guys. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes or so, and as you can see, the water is coming out of our eggplants there. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Alright, so that is what we wanted to get out of these, so we don't have all that water consistency going on. And you're just going to wipe it. So that's why you don't worry about that kosher salt or anything. We just needed that just to bring out the water on these. Okay, so you're just going to wipe it off really good. Okay. And then we're just going to place them to the side and get ready to batter these babies. Okay. So that's all you're doing. It's getting all that excess water off. So let's get our eggplants into our mixture. I'm going to use this because I really don't want to. I want to keep a dry hand, guys. And we want to coat it really well. Trying to keep it, you know, dry. So that's what we're going to do with these, is just coat them well, and then we're going to fry these babies up. And I'm going to double dip it. I think I want to. What y'all think? Yeah, so it can start sticking around. So let's double coat it. Look, I'm getting my fingers mixed up anyway. Never get it right. But we will. We will. Alright? So let's coat it real good, guys. And then I will be back when it's time to get this baby fried up. Alright, guys, we are ready. They are all coated with our panko. And so now we're going to take some olive oil and spray each side with some. There and there. Spray each side. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you're new here, thank you for coming. Welcome to the channel. We appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for watching the last video. Always a blessing. Alright, so I'm going to turn these over and spray the rest, and I will be back. Alright, y'all. Let's get these babies in here. I ain't hear a sizzle or pop. And since these are the copper, I only put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in here because we sprayed these babies with them. So we're going to fry up each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until they get golden brown. Alright, guys, so we are going to remove these. So we are ready to assemble our eggplant parmesan. Here we are. So, I have our sauce here. And we are going to get our sauce. Don't that look yummy, y'all? Don't it look yummy? Yes. So what we are going to do is put some sauce at the bottom of our pan. And so I took that Prego sauce and I doctored it up. And what I put in there is I sauteed some garlic, yellow onions, green pepper, red peppers. Yes, add some herbs to it. You know, you gotta doctor it up. Added that basil we cut up. So we're going to line that with that, right? And then we're going to lay down some of this. Actually, what I wanted to lay down is a little bit of cheese first. That's okay. That we place that one down there. It's going to be all right. We're going to work it out. Let's put our eggplants down here. Add some more sauce. Yes. Put that sauce on there. Okay, guys. I can't wait to eat. I can't wait to eat some more mozzarella. Yes. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up in the place. All right, and then our last layer. Gonna pick that on top, right? Put that on top. Yes. And then we're going to come with the rest of our sauce on top. Yes. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy with this dish. Guys, this is something your family is truly going to enjoy. Truly going to love. Spruce it up. Make it your own. Do your own thing. Do as you please. Add or take away whatever you need to for this dish. It's okay. Alright, guys. Let's lay on the last bit of our little bit mozzarella cheese that we got left here going on the top. We're going to come with our palm and lay that on top of here. And then we're going to place in our preheated oven, 350 degrees, for about 8 minutes until the cheese is melted. And a little bubbly. Because remember, everything is pretty much cooked. Okay? And I'm going to come with some pretty stuff right on top. Just a little bit of the parsley. The parsley and the basil on top there. Voila! And we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven. So, This is after 20 minutes. I said 8 minutes. I'm so sorry. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Y'all like my new oven mitts, guys? From my girl Ginger Snap 44. You can put your hands in them. I got these for my birthday. Woo, 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 woo. Ain't they cute? Yes, we are ready. Look at that. Deliciousness. Right there. Ooh, wee. Who is ready to eat? I am. Do you have it, guys? Your eggplant parmesan. Yes. Oh my goodness. Y'all ready to plate up? Let's do it. I just sprinkled some fresh basil on top. Let's get this baby. Ooh wee. Let's get this baby on the plate. And let's get plated up. You can have this with a nice salad. Oh, of course, I want some of the sauce and the delicious cheese going on here. Woo! And a nice salad. I have some garlic knots that we are going to eat this with. I'm back. Let's give this a taste. This is about to be so delicious, guys. Seriously. Y'all want a bite? Take you a piece. Oh my goodness. Hot. So rich. And truly delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you try this at home. Your eggplant parmesan. Yes. So. You won't go wrong with this. So delicious. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. And if you feel your heart feel the content to do so, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn it gray. Turn it gray. And click the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I come to you with another delicious dish. Comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see on the next video. And share me out to your family and friends. All I want to do is love on you while you love on me. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to go eat this deliciousness right now with this delicious garlic bread, garlic knots, and enjoy my dinner. So, I love you. Stay blessed. And eat out. Later.
Bring the flavor. Bring the flavor. Jill Comfort Zone. Jill Comfort Zone. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop.